Today we are here to discuss about the financial planning. After going through the financial management, now we are moving towards the topic that is related with financial planning. Now, what is planning? Planning means to decide something in advance. So, financial planning is also related with such matter only, in which we are deciding in advance the need of the financial requirement of the company, then how we will be fulfilling those requirements, and then how we will be making the use of the money which we will be collecting for achieving the objectives of the organization. So this is the concept that is related with the assessment of needs of the financial requirements of the organization, then tapping the various sources through which we can collect the funds, and then making the use of that fund in a better manner to achieve the goals of the organization. So that is all related with financial planning. So meaning of financial planning I have already written here for you, that it is a plan for procurement and disbursement of funds. Procurement means collection of funds and disbursement means distribution of funds to the various departments in the organization to achieve their financial goals. Okay? So basically three things are being done in the financial planning. First, we have to assess the financial needs of the organization. Then we have to explore the available sources of collecting the funds, because there are various sources for collecting the funds: long-term source, mid-term source and short-term source. It depends on the need of the financial requirements of the organization that which source should be tapped by the organization. Then what are the various policies which the planner has made, the financial manager has made in relation to the distribution of funds so that the goals can be achieved. So these are the three things which are to be done by each and every financial manager. Okay? So financial planning, it is a plan for procurement and disbursement of funds. ये ऐसा प्लान जिसमें आप पैसा कब कलेक्ट करेंगे, कहाँ से कलेक्ट करेंगे, कितना कलेक्ट करेंगे, और फिर उसको अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितने डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं उनकी नीड्स के अकॉर्डिंग उनको देंगे, so that they will be able to achieve the financial goals of the organization. Okay. Now we move towards the importance of financial planning, because it is said that sound financial planning is needed for the success of any organization. किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की सफलता तभी होगी जब उसकी फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग सही तरीके से की जाएगी. एंड व्हाई इट इज डन, क्यों की जाएगी, काय को करनी चाहिए फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग सही तरीके से. सो इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग कैन बी अंडरस्टूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फ्यू पॉइंट्स मेंशन हियर. फर्स्ट, facilitate the collection of optimum fund. If we have made the plan, if we have made the financial plan which is related with the needs of the funds which are required by the organization, then what can be done? We can collect the optimum fund. जितना पैसा हमें जरूरी है, अगर हमें पता है एक अच्छा प्लान बना हुआ है, तो हम उतना फंड we will be able to collect at the right time. So optimum collection of funds. It should not be in excess and it should not be less also. Excess मतलब ओवर कैपिटलाइज हो जाएगा, पैसा जरूरत से ज्यादा आ जाएगा, और अंडर कैपिटलाइजेशन हो जाएगा अगर पैसा जरूरत से कम मिला. So both these things are not good. So first thing, that is, it facilitates the collection of optimum funds. Then comes facilitate the use of various sources of finance. There are various sources of finance: long-term source, mid-term source and short-term source. पैसा कलेक्ट करने के सोर्सेज हैं लॉन्ग टर्म, शॉर्ट टर्म एंड मिड टर्म. In that we can get the funds by issuing the equities, by raising the funds from debt capital, that is borrowed capital. So which source should we use by us? So if we know this thing that we need the fund for a particular time period, that is a mid-term period or a very short-term period or a long-term period, then we can make the use of that source. फिर हम उस सोर्स से पैसा इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं। अगर हमें पता है कि हमें पैसे की रिक्वायरमेंट साल भर के लिए है, 3 साल के लिए है, या 5 साल या इससे ज्यादा साल के लिए है फॉर डूइंग द बिजनेस, सो उस समय हम क्या करेंगे, हम उसी सोर्स पे जाएंगे कि जो हमें शॉर्ट टर्म सोर्स, तो अगर हमारे को 1 साल की रिक्वायरमेंट तो 6 महीने से साल भर की रिक्वायरमेंट शॉर्ट टर्म, मिड टर्म हमारा 2-3 साल का रिक्वायरमेंट है, लॉन्ग टर्म अगर हमें 5 साल से ज्यादा का पैसा चाहिए तो हम लॉन्ग टर्म सोर्स यूज करेंगे। ठीक, देन मैनेजिंग द फाइनेंशियल अनसर्टेनिटी। If we have made the financial plan in a better manner, then we know this thing that when and how much money will be required by us. If we know this thing, then we can manage the financial uncertainties of the organization by making the availability of those funds and then using those funds as and when required. अगर हम अच्छे फाइनेंशियल प्लान तैयार करते हैं तो हमें ये पता पड़ता है कि हमें कब और कितने पैसे की जरूरत है। तो अगर हमें ये चीज पता है कब और कितने पैसे की जरूरत है तो हम उसका अरेंजमेंट करके चलते हैं, और जब समय आता है तो हम उन सोर्सेज से पैसा इकट्ठा करके और वो पैसा अपने बिजनेस में लगाते हैं। अचीविंग द फाइनेंशियल गोल्स, we will be able to achieve the financial goals of the organization because money is required, finance is required to achieve the goals of the organization. So what are the financial goals of the organization and what is the actual or the current position of the organization? When we compare between these two, so we come to know this thing that if there is any deviation in the achievement of financial goal, so we have to invest the money, we need the money for achieving those goals. So that can be done if we have a good plan. Okay, then distribution plan. Distribution, how we have to distribute the money. So distribution of money should be done in a proper manner according to the needs of the organization or the various departments in the organization, so that the predetermined goals can be achieved. आपको पैसा कब देना है, कितना देना है, कौन से डिपार्टमेंट को देना है, इट शुड बी क्लियर. So then only we will be able to achieve the financial goals of the organization. So it is said that sound financial planning is needed for the success of any organization. Then comes the objectives of the financial planning. What are the objectives of the financial planning? This we can understood here. Assessment of financial requirement. The first objective of financial planning is to assess the needs of the financial requirements of the organization. How much money is needed by you, assessment of that. Then procuring funds from suitable source. After getting the assessment of the financial need, then decide that how we will be collecting these funds. So we have to make the use of the suitable source, whichever is available. So according to the needs of the fund, the source should be selected. Then allocation of funds to departments to achieve the financial goals. Then we have to allocate this money to the various departments in the organization so that the financial goals can be achieved. Then comes to provide optimum and amount of working capital. Working capital is also one of the capital which is needed for the smooth running of the organization. So optimum working capital should always be available in the organization to meet its day-to-day requirement. So sufficient amount of money should be there, or capital should be there, or fund should be there, so that we can meet the working capital requirement of the organization. And then we have to build up the reserve for the future contingency. Then build the reserve for the future contingencies also in order to meet any future liabilities which is unknown. So we need the fund for that thing also. So funds should always be made available to meet this type of future uncertainties or contingencies also. So in this topic we have discussed that what is financial planning, that is the meaning of financial planning. Then we have discussed about the importance of financial planning and the objectives of financial planning. Okay. Now we will be moving ahead with the next topic, that is related with the capital structure of the organization.